Today we are going to study writing skills, and the topic for writing skills is Biosketch. The full form of Biosketch is biographical sketch. A biosketch means a biographical sketch in which a person's physical appearance, age, habits, qualities, education and achievements etc. are mentioned in a concise form. It is generally constructed with the help of clues provided in the question. You might be wondering why clues should be given. Clues are provided because everybody cannot be aware of every person in detail. Other things to be kept in mind while writing a biosketch are: it should be short and specific. It should not consist more than 2 paragraphs. It has to be around 100 to 120 words. Other specifications of biosketch writing are: it should outline important events of person's life, including experiences, competencies, and interests. Special awards and recognitions achieved by a person should be mentioned. It is advised to portray a person in an admirable manner. It should be written in third person. Now let us discuss the format of biosketch writing. Firstly, you write the name and age of a person, then the main personality traits and his or her special interests. After that, the education, qualifications and trainings, the special contribution of a person in any research, if there is any, awards and recognitions achieved by a person, and in the end, you mention why people like him or her. Let us start with the examples. In the question, clues like this will always be provided to you whenever you will be asked to write a biosketch. In our first example, we are going to write a biosketch of Abraham Lincoln. Clues like this will be given. You can pause the video and read it, and you can even take a screenshot. Answer to the question will be written in this way. In 1809, Abraham Lincoln was born to a wealthy farmer family in northern Kentucky. When he was 7 years old, his father lost his farming land and the family moved to Indiana. At the age of 9, after his mother passed away, his family moved to Illinois for livelihood. Abraham had little formal education but had a strong interest in books and learning. He studied law books as his own and started his career as lawyer in 1837, Springfield, Illinois. He soon moved into politics and served in state legislature in the US House of Representatives. He was a talented orator. In his speeches, he talked about abolition of slavery. Finally, he was nominated and became the president in 1860. In 1864, he was re-elected as the president. He was shot by John Wilkes Booth on April 15, 1865. Abraham Lincoln is often remembered for his wisdom, compassion, and patriotism that led him to the nation's highest office. As second example, we are supposed to write the biosketch of Mahatma Gandhi. The clues are given on the slide. You can screenshot or you can pause and read. In answer to this question, we will write, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 to Karamchand and Putlibai at Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. After completing his studies in England, he went to South Africa. When he suffered discrimination, he started civil disobedience for civil rights of Indian and African communities. In around 1915, he came back to India. He started satyagraha, civil disobedience, fasts, marches, movements, and was sentenced many a times. His efforts helped India gain freedom from the Britishers. In 1948, a madman named Nathuram Godse assassinated him outside Birla House. He is fondly remembered as the father of the nation. He was the backbone of the freedom struggle of India. Next, now there's a question for you. You have to write the Biosketch of P.T. Usha on the basis of given clues. You can pause the video and write it down. The answers for the same are given in the description box. You can go through it after writing your own answer. For further practice, we have the question to write the Biosketch of Anne Frank. The clues are given to you. You may take a screenshot or you may pause the video. Write the Biosketch and later on check the answer from the description box. I hope my video was fruitful and you have understood how a Biosketch has to be written. If you have liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.